What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Caffeinated Kitchen. Today we are going to make something special. We are making high protein Reese's Mud Pies. This is great as a pre-workout, a breakfast. You can have this as a dessert. Whatever your macros are, you can kind of make it fit. We're gonna do this specifically today at about 440 calories, 45 grams of protein. You got a couple more calories to play with, you can add a little more. If you want to cut back a little bit, you can pull some of those calories down with the ingredients. This is my favorite way to make it. I've made it this way for a while. What do we need for this? Well, first off, you need a mixing bowl, you need a ramekin, you need a microwave, okay? And you need a ladle. You're gonna have to mix this guy up a little bit, all right? What are we using for ingredients? Chobani, non-fat Greek yogurt. We are going to use a chocolate protein powder. You can use the one you like. This is a chocolate coconut collagen fuel by Primal Kitchen. It's not better or worse than any. This is one of the ones I like to make in this recipe. We got some PB2 here, peanut butter replacement, kind of dried out and all that. We've got some cocoa Flavenols. You can also use with this some Hersheys Cocoa, naturally unsweetened. This works well on this as well, very low calories. We've got some natural peanut butter here. Wholesome Yum, one of my favorite zero sugar maple syrups. This goes great in this recipe. Reese's Pieces, we're actually gonna break some of these out. A couple of Truvia Packets, that's my non-nutritive sweetener of choice. You can use what you like. One egg, and at the end, I hit this with a little sea salt to make it a little more Reese's-y when you're biting into it. One of the things you taste in a Reese's that I think gives it that iconic taste is not just the texture, but there's such an amount of salt in there that goes with the peanut butter. So this will be nice. It's pink Himalayan, good stuff. So the other thing we need for this recipe is a food scale. Like most recipes, you need to know how much of something you're using, and you can even pop your mixing bowl right onto this guy, work right into it. Makes it a lot easier. So let's get started here. We're starting off with this Chobani. We use this Chobani in my house all the time. It's very healthy, it's very delicious. Calorically, the protein, all that stuff, you really can't do much better than this. So we're gonna start with 200 grams of this. Okay, it's a good amount. And beautiful. Wow, almost right on the money. I'm adding a scoop of the Primal Kitchen here. Chocolate coconut collagen fuel. This guy's going in now. One of the neat things about this recipe too is wet and dry ingredients, throw them in there, it doesn't matter. We're kind of making a batter of sorts. Next up, PB2. I don't recommend PB2 being the sole peanut butter ingredient in any recipe. I don't think it gets all those things you want in a peanut butter recipe, but I do think when you're combining it with some Reese's, some natural peanut butter, this is a great buffer. This can work really well. I'm adding a scoop of these cocoa Flavenols. These have some additional heart benefits. You also, with the cocoa Flavenols, if for not a lot of calories, you want a little more chocolatey texture, you want it extra chocolatey, 10 more calories, get some of the Hersheys Cocoa in there too. It ain't gonna hurt you, kids, just a little chocolate. 2 tablespoons, zero sugar, maple syrup, Wholesome Yum. I eat this stuff all the time. It's made with allulose. Your body doesn't really digest, and their stuff is delicious. Even with being healthier, it's one of the best maple syrups I've tasted. It's really good. Get your egg in there. Come on, you've got an egg. 2 Truvia Packets. Like I said earlier, you guys can use the sweetener you like. I like Truvia. Lately, I've been using the Wholesome Yum Sweetener Bestie too. Really, really good. I'm gonna try it in this eventually. Little sea salt. Don't go crazy, but I think that extra salt is gonna help just bring out the peanut butter flavor, especially because we use the PB2 in there. We didn't use the natural peanut butter yet. We are going to. The natural peanut butter and the Reese's are gonna come a little bit later. Check out our beautiful mixture here. And I'm going to just basically mix my wet and dry ingredients together. Gotta break these yolks. And the thing I'll say as I'm mixing this is it smells really good. I mean, it really smells chocolatey. For you guys who are bulking too, add an extra scoop of the protein powder in here. Add some of the natural peanut butter instead of the PB2 into this. The recipes I give you guys are meant to be macronutrient flex diet friendly. So because I'm giving it to you 440 calories with 45 grams of protein, this is the way I'm making it right now. I'm in a cutting phase. This is suiting my goals. You guys make this to suit your goals. All right, what do we got? It's like this beautiful chocolatey batter. It's nice. It's a nice consistency, almost like a little looser than a pancake mix. Using a ramekin for this, you can give it a little bit of a spray first if you want. That works. And it's just so the chocolatey stuff doesn't stick to it. I mean, wouldn't be the end of the world if you had to it'd be fun, be crunchy and all that. And now I'm gonna pour this beautiful mix into my ramekin. Beautiful Reese's brownie mud pie. Oh, look it. That's really good. It's got raw egg in there. You probably don't want to do that, but it's good. Let's clean up shop a little here. Try to keep the caffeinated kitchen as clean as we can. If it looks like a beautiful brownie mix, you've done this correctly. 2.5 minutes in the microwave. I'll meet you back here now. All right, guys, this is out of the microwave. It smells incredible. I know it's gonna taste really good because I've eaten these a bunch of times, but the smell itself is just, this smells like something you order at Friendly's and you like smell it coming to the table from 30 feet away. While this was microwaving, I also took the liberty of microwaving our tablespoon of peanut butter up. Now this is something I'm gonna kind of just gently get on there and get that nice and loose. This is hot right now, but I cannot wait. I used natural peanut butter as well. A regular peanut butter is going to melt a little bit easier for you, but this is, I think, just a healthier option. So what do we got here? We got our Reese's Pieces on top. We got our natural peanut butter on top. We got the PB2 in it, the cocoa flavanols, the protein powder, the Chobani. Let's give this thing a try and see how this thing tastes. Look how good it looks. Looks amazing. I'm loving the look of this. I know I'm gonna love the taste of this, and I'm really savoring the smell first, the texture. Let's see what we got. Can you see the way that this thing pulls? You look at this, look at this. Look at the chunks of chocolate and peanut butter. They harden. Get yourself some Reese's Pieces on top. This is legit. That's like peanut butter chocolate goodness right there. This is really, really good. Everything I just put in this recipe, 440 calories, 45 grams of protein. It's your post-workout right here. Have half of it before, whatever. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed making this recipe with me as much as I am enjoying eating it. Check it out, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you can do, I appreciate it. Check out the show. We're gonna get you some more high protein, low calorie options in the future. Soups, Ninja Creamies, crock pots, air frying. We're gonna do all that stuff. See you guys next time.